Never before has cleaning and disinfecting high-touch, high-use areas been more top of mind. Cleaning for appearance has always been important, but now we're adopting new daily, or maybe even hourly, cleaning and disinfecting practices, that's not mine, to maintain our workplace and home environments. There we go. Hi, I'm Ruben from Legend Brands. In this video, we'll show you how to properly clean and disinfect your home, facility or business, because protecting yourself from pathogens and viruses starts with proper cleaning. Now that's good tea. Well, much like we're now frequently washing our hands for 20 seconds with soap and water, we must form new, more rigorous cleaning habits for effective cleaning and disinfecting of surfaces. So today I'm going to clean a variety of surfaces for you using Mediclean Germicidal Cleaner Concentrate and BotaniClean. Now both of these Legend Brands products not only function as excellent cleaners, they are also both identified under the current EPA Emerging Pathogens Standard, so are included on the EPA list N for products that have demonstrated effectiveness against viruses similar to SARS-CoV-2 as the surrogate for COVID-19. BotaniClean uses a unique nature-inspired thymol blend that's EPA registered as a Category 4 low toxicity disinfectant requiring no PPE. BotaniClean is ready to use, so no mixing is needed. It works great for general cleaning and disinfecting. As the name implies, Mediclean Germicidal Cleaner Concentrate, which I'm going to call GCC for short, is concentrated and effective for tackling the toughest cleaning jobs. And it's very economical, only 2 ounces per gallon for regular cleaning and disinfecting of hard surfaces. For now, I'm going to focus on proper cleaning and disinfecting of high-touch areas. Where you are cleaning and the number of building occupants will dictate how often you need to clean and disinfect. Besides high-touch areas such as the obvious, like door handles and handrails, there are actually hundreds of high-touch areas in any facility. They include entrance or exit doors, light switches, cabinets, coffee makers, faucets, copiers, steering wheels, chairs. You get the picture. We are surrounded by high-touch areas, so let's get to it. First, let's read the labels. At Legend Brands, we live by this saying, the label is the law. Any application or use of these products outside of the instructions on these EPA registered labels violates that law. As you see, I'm wearing some protective gloves. This is just because I'm cleaning during the COVID-19 outbreak, but is not typically required when using BotaniClean. Since BotaniClean is a ready-to-use product, I can use it straight out of the bottle. So I'm going to pour some into my trigger spray here. It's already got some in. And I can add a little extra. So now I have my trigger spray of BotaniClean. I also have a bucket filled with BotaniClean. I'm going to show you some fast and efficient ways to do thorough cleaning and disinfecting. I'll use microfiber cloths, but you can use whatever's available as long as they're clean. I'm personally partial to microfiber as they scrub and then they launder well. You can also use disposable shop towels if that's easier. As for me, I'm also using different colored cloths, as you can see. The colors serve as code for cleaning applications and level of risk. Since we're really focusing on thorough cleaning and disinfection of high-touch surfaces like this crash bar, I'm going to use the red cloth for things like this and others areas that have been identified by the CDC as potential high-risk germ transmission points. So I don't need these for now. I take my clean cloth, I fold it into quarters. So here, like so. As this allows me to have 8 cleaning sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I dip it into the cleaning product, saturating it until it's very damp, almost dripping wet. As the section of the cloth becomes soiled when I wipe this high-touch area, I simply use a clean side. Once all the sides are soiled, I'll place it in a bag so it can be laundered. I'm now going to take my trigger sprayer And on that same surface that I've just cleaned and wetted, I'm going to disinfect it. And then we're going to allow it to air dry. And that has now finished cleaning and disinfecting the area. It's the same for just about any surface. Clean first, then treat the area and allow to air dry. Adjust the amount of wetness of the original application when cleaning electronics and other items more sensitive to moisture. If I have a large area to clean and disinfect, or a high volume of pieces like these chairs, I could move to a more productive tool, like this pump sprayer. I'm going to switch to using Mediclean GCC for this, so I've added some protective goggles and an N95 mask to my PPE. This pump sprayer has 1 gallon of water in it, so I simply need to mix in the standard amount of 2 ounces per gallon of Mediclean GCC and mix that in. Then we move on to cleaning and disinfecting, and very much the same process as we did last time. Only this time we can get through a lot more at a quicker pace. And these are ready to go, clean and disinfected. But what about floors? Well, if you have hard surface areas, the same principles apply. Mop with your cleaning product of choice to clean, then either use a disinfectant in a sprayer as before, or clean the mop bucket out and replace with a clean or new mop head and wet the floor again with disinfectant. In either case, allow to air dry. And don't forget the carpet. Regular cleaning with professional hot water extraction equipment, like this unit manufactured by Legend Brands, helps maintain a healthy indoor environment. If you are looking to improve your indoor air quality, in addition to more frequent cleaning and disinfection, consider using a Dry-Ease HEPA 500. This powerful 500 CFM air scrubber is ideal for homes, offices, schools, and healthcare. So yeah, that about does it from me today. If you liked this video, if it was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It actually really makes a difference. Ring that notification bell, and wherever you are, stay clean, stay healthy, and keep on disinfecting. Till next time, see you, bye.